Our top focus, Haryana government has stated its decision to felicitate the sisters from Rohtak who allegedly fought off molesters on a Haryana transport bus on Republic Day. The suspension of the driver and the conductor of the bus on which the sisters were travelling has also been revoked. The decision to put the reward on hold was taken after a couple of other videos surfaced showing the girls in scuffle with boys. The families of the boys who the sisters thrashed also presented their side of the story to the Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar. Now, the decision to honour the sisters has been put on hold.
पर सब कुछ निर्भर करेगा। ये विषय थोड़ा जो इधर से उधर हिचकोले खा रहा है, इसमें जांच निष्पक्ष करा के उसके बाद
हमने हमेशा से यही बात रखी है कि हम इस केस की फ्री एंड फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना चाहते हैं और इसीलिए जब 1 तारीख को मैंने और डिप्टी कमिश्नर रोहतक ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करी थी तो हमने यहाँ तक कि लोगों को कहा था कि जो बस के में सवार पैसेंजर्स थे वो सामने आए और अपने बयान दर्ज कराए, सच्चाई को सामने लेके आए। हमने अपने पर्सनल नंबर्स भी दिए थे और आज मुझे जो इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर हैं डीएसपी श्री यशपाल, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि 6 महिलाएं आई हैं उनके पास और उन्होंने अपने बयान डीएसपी साहब के आगे दिए हैं।
Well, there seems to be a twist in the case of the 2 sisters from Rohtak who allegedly took on the 3 molesters on a bus. Several versions of the incident have now emerged. While the girls claim that 3 men harassed them, witnesses claim that there was no molestation that took place on that moving bus. 3 passengers and 3 relatives of the boys have now come forward with testimonies and affidavits that support the 3 youth. The eyewitnesses also claim that the girls had been fighting with the boys before they got onto that bus.
यारी टिकट है, 3 नंबर मेरी टिकट थी, मैं टिकट के ऊपर बैठी थी, टिकट पे रोड़ा था उनका, वे ठामे थे, वे दादी ताई ने दे दे टिकट, वे उठी नहीं, बस इस तरह फालतू कोई भी सीट नंबर का जिक्र रखी थी। जो एक तरफ फोटो बनाई गई उनकी वीडियो रील और एक बेच मारे गई और लड़का ऐसे उल्टे गया था, लड़के की कोई गलती नहीं है, लड़का कति भी ना आई मर रहा, कति भी ना आई, नहीं कोई भी छेड़खानी नहीं है बेटे, मैं सच बोलना तैयार हूँ, ना मेरे रिश्तेदार लड़के ना मेरी लड़की।
The war over the viral video of the Rohtak sisters just does not end there. Questions are now being raised about the latest video that showed the accused apologizing to the sisters. One of the main accused, Kuldeep, has now come out and said that he apologized because his family started beating them up. He claims that the 3 of them were forced to apologize to the girls and their family out of fear. He still maintains that the girls were not molested.
ये जो तीसरा वीडियो बना ला रहा है जो सदर थाने का है, ये हमारे घर को पता नहीं था कि कसूर किसका। हमारे घर के हमको मारने लगे कि माफ़ी मांगो, इसलिए हमने माफ़ी मजबूरी मांगनी पड़ी, हमारा कोई कसूर नहीं था, हमें डरते ने माफ़ी मांगी, हमारे घर के हमको मार।
All right, I have Deputy Editor Shiv Arur now joining me live from the newsroom. Shiv, there's a twist and a massive one in the Rohtak tale.
Very big twist, and I think, you know, I can't really figure out who should be more embarrassed at this time, Vedika, because, you know, by putting this intended honour on hold, this is the Khattar government, the fledgling Khattar government, you know, pretty much admitting that they, you know, perhaps acted in haste, you know, by announcing that these 2 girls from Rohtak, you know, would be honoured, they would be given, you know, a cash award, you know, on Republic Day they would be honoured as well. You know, all of those, you know, they're pretty much, you know, basically saying that they didn't have a mind of their own, they didn't have all the facts in front of them, and they still made a decision of this kind. Now, you know, as our very comprehensive report just showed, there are multiple reports, there are multiple versions. You know, those youth remain accused at this time, you know, until proven guilty. But the girls insist that, you know, we've spoken to them as well, and they say that, you know, a check can be conducted no matter how many videos actually come out. You know, the truth, you know, will be affirmed that we were fighting away molesters. So at this point of time, I think it was a practical thing to do as far as the Haryana government is concerned. Not that they had any other option, you know, to put this on hold, to sort of contain the damage, to limit any more possible embarrassment, you know, in the event that this story sort of takes a completely different course. But I think the onus, the spotlight of this decision, Vedika, is definitely, you know, directly on the Haryana government. They've been trying to deflect attention when we've spoken to them off camera, you know, to say that there was media pressure, the media was telling this story and we reacted, but that only sort of underscores course, the fact that this government, takes, a decision like honoring someone for bravery, based on what's out there, not by its own, work and investigations on the ground. So, and that doesn't say very much, about the credibility of the government going forward. So at this point of time, I think the best way to really put it is a big twist in the case, given the enormous amount of attention it's been getting countrywide.
Also, Shiv, what's interesting is the timing of the other videos that have emerged, which have come forth and have come out only after that case that was reported across the media of the 2 girls and the 3 molesters.
Absolutely. I mean, the fact that more videos are coming out, more people are speaking out, is completely unsurprising. You've got the accused speaking out. You've got mobile footage from practically everywhere. Showing people in the country nearly every single development in this story. It's almost unprecedented in the manner in which every part of this story is actually being captured, on video. Those boys being beaten, them apologizing, them going to the house of the girls, all of it on video. I think is a statement by itself. But you're absolutely right. The simple fact that you've got eyewitnesses coming forward saying one thing, families of the girls, coming out and defending them. Multiple voices, people being suspended,
yes.
Action being taken against others. I think it's a bit of a mess as far as the investigation is concerned. There are other angles to this entire controversy as well. So a thorough investigation, like the girls themselves are saying, a thorough investigation is necessary at this time. Before anyone can actually make their minds up. Certainly the Haryana government.
Shiv Arora, thank you so much for adding perspective to our top story at 5 p.m.